Okay, we're gonna go over the two bishop checkmate. I'm gonna go through it a little bit fast, but we're gonna do it 3 times, so we'll get a lot of experience. First thing we want to do is get the two bishops next to each other and next to the king. So here's one. Okay, so that's what we want. Two bishops next to each other, and we want the opposing king like in their little cone. So you can see all of this is controlled, and the king next to them. So here we're gonna bring the king up. This is kind of like our starting position where we start doing one of the two maneuvers that I'm gonna teach you to push the king back. One is gonna be the shuffle right here, where we just kind of shuffle the bishops in front of each other. And then I'm going to push the king back up. And the other one is going to be the knight jump. I call it that because we're going to move one bishop, a knight jumps away from the other. So here, here. And once we have the king trapped in the back rank, just bring our other king over to the short side of the board. And then we need to cut off this square. But if we bring our bishop here, he can take it. So we make a waiting move. Now we're cutting off the square. And now we don't want to stalemate. So we need to check him here. So waiting move, check. And then it's basically a ladder checkmate, check. All right, same thing. We're going to get to our starting position. I'm just going to put the bishops next to each other with the king next to them. And then I want you to imagine cutting the board in half based on the two bishops. If he's on the far side, where there's just a bishop, no king, we're going to do our knight jump maneuver. Okay. And if he's on our side, we're going to do the shuffle. And now I want to come here, but he's in the way. So I'm just going to do the shuffle. Same thing, I want to come here, he's in the way, so I shuffle. And now we just go to the short side of the board. We want to come here to take this square away, so waiting move. Take the square away. And we want him to come here so we can check him, so waiting move. Check, check, check. Okay, last one. Okay, this bishop's being attacked, so we gotta move it. Let's bring it over here. Now we have the two bishops next to each other. You can see our cone is pointing this way now, so we're gonna try to bring them to this side of the board. King's next to the bishops. Okay, I want to come here and do my knight jump because he's on that side of the board. But right there, he can take. So waiting move. Knight jump maneuver. Okay. And then, so again, this is our starting position, just on the side. And since he's on our side of the board, we do a shuffle. Okay, he's on this side, so we want to do the knight jump, but he can take. So we do a waiting move. Knight jump. Okay, and now we go around to the short side. And we want to come here, so we wait. We cut off this square. We want to check here, so we wait. Check. Check. That's it.